This is a live documentary on fingerling production practice carried out by Fish College and Corpsmembers at the NYSC camp. Watch and learn. Thank you for being part of this community.
All right. This also bring that one. So
I'll not sit again.
bring it. Okay, I've got that one. All right. Now, this is the gentle order.
Can I see this, sir?
Let me see. Don't let me see. Don't let's see.
This is male.
This is the male.
This is male.
How do you?
Can I see the genital organ? This is some. Bring that one. I will believe the genital organ. Let them bring that one.
Bring this one.
Is that milk too?
Bring it.
All like female. All of them. Bring it. All of them female.
Now, if you want to sew the fish, like me, I used to see, because fish have two testes. You want to use one testis, so you have to be careful. Alright? So being careful, you will not cut to this point. You will not cut to this point. Just cut. So you shift the intestine and that's the testis. So I have removed the testis. Hello, hi. We are making noise, we are not together. This is the testis. Now, how do you know ripe testis? When you look at this testis now, the part that is ripe is this.
They are breaking it. Don't worry.
The part that is ripe is this one that is milky. It's milky. This, the side that is milky is ripe. This side that is not milky is not ripe. So if you want to fertilize, when you want to cut, you cut this side. When you cut now, you see. Are you seeing the milkiness? Are you seeing the milkiness? So this is where you will concentrate. If you cut here, it's going to give you watery something. So, I think we have now.
Thank you. Thank you. What have you done? What have you done?
Friends, my name is Mercy and I'm a playwright and student. I've learned about fish. As you can see, here I have my fish here, my learner for packaging, and this is the corner pen which I use for smoking my fish. This is a side program here in our career Africa. I'm a side student. Actually, I've learned a lot from this, and I'm actually seeing myself as a multi-billionaire person, and one day I'm going to employ all of you, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Yeah, I've learned a lot, and right now I've cooked my fish and I'm going to package it, and I have my own package my fish and sell it to the consumers outside so that they can have a taste of what we've learned. Seriously, I've learned a lot, and I'm appreciating the whole of Said and everyone here. And I believe everyone that participates in this class actually learned one or two things, because it's not just only fish and fishery or smoking of fish that we've learned. We've learned also on rabbitry and snail rearing and other things like piggery too, and how to hash fish and other vegetables, productions of vegetables. I believe that you to have passion in what you believe in, you're going to make it in life. It's not just about having interest, but the passion there for you in order for you to what, make it in life. And I believe I'm going to employ each and every one of you. So stay tuned and watch out for me.
Everyone. My name is Moji Grace from Benue State. State code LA 351, Lagos Papa, George Polo Street. I've learned a lot to Said because here, as you can see, I'm eating a cucumber fruit. We've been taught integrated farming, we can be both into crop and animal production. Here I learned a lot. We learned about fisheries, how to rear your fish. You can start from small, you can start from 10 pieces, 20 pieces. We learned about the mobile phones and the excellent phones, concrete phones, whichever you can afford. The interesting ones, I like the rabbit, the pen, the snail farming. The snails in this state are so big. One can be sold for more than 300 naira. I love it. I want to venture into snail and rabbit farming after my camp by God's grace. We can even keep, in fact, I learned today that we can even keep poultry in a small pen like this, constructed mainly for them. I really enjoyed Said. I say thank you to you that brought about this idea. We have learned a lot, and I'm going to keep on Camp Said wherever I am. I'm going to do it, and I'm major in something. And by God's grace, I will take up one or two of these agro allied Said program. Both in the crop. I'm already a farmer. Many people are farmers. I already have my farm at home. I have yam farm. I have a groundnut farm. I have so many. I can still. I've learned to plant cucumber today. I will actually venture into it. Thank you, Said. Thank you, NYSC.
Thank you.
In addition to what they've said too, from the outset, I have really learned a lot. Although I have had cause to stay with someone who worked on fish farming, had a very big fish pond. But I didn't have the opportunity to be there when the pond was set up. So this few periods we've had with him teaching us, I've had the opportunity to know the different kinds of ponds, their setup, and to know whichever one I could fit in if eventually I start off a business on fishery. Then one more thing that really interested me more is the aspect of the fish itself. I'm this kind of person that is very selective and quite selective when it comes to buying things outside. In most cases, I try as much as I can to get the little I can within my compound at home, of which before I came down here, I think I have little garden. Then with this little knowledge I have, that I'm very sure that when I go back home, knowing already that we have the bath pond, we have the mobile one, I could, within a little space, just get my things there and put them, since it was just the concrete pond that I had knowledge of. But with these few ones that I've been able to get, I'm very sure that the sky will be my starting point when I leave here. Thank you.